Hi, I'm Josamir E. Santos, 18 years of age, residing at 163 Emay Rojas Street, Kalumpang, Marikina City. I was born on December 16, 1991, at Alahala, Rizal. I am a Filipino citizen and a Roman Catholic believer. In the year 1995 to 2004, I had my primary education at Rizal Elementary School. And in the year 2004 to 2008, my secondary education was spent at Rizal National High School. And currently, I am studying in Our Lady of Fatima University. I am seeking to accommodate myself as a nurse in a reputed health organization. I am very passionate and well-oriented and makes the environment positive in which patients feel well and alive. I have strong analytical skills capable of assessing conditions and implementing appropriate intervention. I've also developed rapport with patient, family, staff, and physicians, and relate well to people from variety of cultures. I've also experienced emergency services such as assisting suturing, responding to trauma, and burn units, checkups, and medical examinations. I've also participated in many health campaigns and educate the people regarding the health care. In my free time, I volunteer at the local community center where I spend my time with the older group. I help them to enjoy activities such as painting, crochet, weaving, and knitting. And I have skills in computers such as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. I can also speak fluently in English, Spanish, and Italian. And now I am comfortable to work in PC environments. Thank you.